Managing back-office functions can take up valuable time, but with Emphasys, your team can automate a lot of these accounting functions to help speed up the closing process and close deals faster with more accuracy. It's one of the most powerful, yet easy-to-use brokerage systems in the market. The setup of the system revolves around three simple processes: setting up commission splits and deductions, adding agents, and then assigning those splits and deductions to agent profiles. Let's take a quick look at the setup process. The first step is to set up your chart of accounts. There is one that comes standard with the system, which can be customized, or you can upload an existing chart of accounts if you have one. Emphasys supports both standard accounts and sub-accounts, and this will allow you to run reports as well as assign costs per account and even per office. The second step is to set up your commission splits. Commission splits vary from agent to agent, so we designed the system to be highly customizable. It's very easy to create new commission splits, and you can have simple flat rate splits or more complicated plans with different incentive levels based on the agent's gross, the sales volume, or the company dollar, just to name a few. All of these options are available and can be configured as you need. Then, the final step is to add your agent. You can enter some basic information to create an agent, or if your brokerage has hundreds of agents, our team can upload those for you. The agent's profile section also lets you store contact information and any license or relevant dates that may be important to track. Another great feature is the ability to set up custom fields for any important data you like to track that may not already exist in the system. You can even flag those fields for reminders. Once your commission splits and agents are created, you simply attach a split to the agent in their profile. Each agent can have numerous commission splits, and it is very easy to change them on the fly. If the agent is on a tiered incentive plan, Emphasys can automatically reset that agent's plan on their anniversary date, on a calendar year, or on any customizable rolling date you need. You can also store pre- and post-split deductions. Pre-split deductions happen before the split, so both the agent and brokerage contribute, whereas post-split deductions are when the charges are assigned only to the agent on the sale. You can set deductions based on percentage of flat amounts and also set up ceiling caps. For example, charge a $250 transaction fee on the first 10 sales only. Emphasys also supports a recruiting or mentorship bonus option. This is a great feature to incentivize agents to recruit for your brokerage. When the recruited agent makes a sale, the system can automatically pay a portion of commission as a bonus to the recruiting agent, and you can set up many recruiting levels. Of course, nowadays, most agents like to be paid via direct deposit, and this also saves you the cost of having to print and mail physical checks. With Emphasys, you can store the agent's credit cards or bank account information in their profile. If they have monthly charges, you can automatically run those on the agent's credit card or direct debit their bank accounts. So, that's how easy it is to get everything set up. Now, you're ready to automate the closing process in the system. Now, there are two ways that transactions can be recorded, either on a one-off basis, or you can take advantage of our integrations and connect with either your MLS or document management system. If you have an integration in place, simply select the date you'd like to import, and Emphasys will sync all your transactions and relevant contacts. Our sync supports both list and buy-side transactions, and this can be a real time saver if you're a high-producing company. Once a transaction is entered with the sale price and commission percentage, simply link one or more agents to the sale. If it's an agent team on the sale, that's also supported. By linking the agent, the system recognizes their commission split and deductions and automatically runs all the calculations for you with a breakdown of how much the agent and the company are earning after all deductions. You can also have referrals on the sale and link deposits if applicable. From this screen, you can also generate a commission disbursement form. This is one that comes out with the system, or there are customizable options if needed. This is useful for issuing to title companies to avoid having to type this information up separately. At this point, if everything is in balance, you can issue payment to the agent, either as a check printed from the system or as an ACH deposit. If the agent has a pending accounts receivable due, maybe a desk fee or the company paid for marketing expenses on their behalf, a notification will prompt you if you'd like to deduct the amount off the agent's commission. The system will also generate a commission statement for agents showing the breakdown of everything that happened on this sale. This statement also contains year-to-date production, such as their year-to-date sales volume, year-to-date 1099 amount, and how much they need to hit the next incentive level. This can be emailed to agents from the system, or agents can log into Emphasys online and see copies of their statements, their charges, and their year-to-date production numbers. One of the unique things about Emphasys is that you can opt to use our built-in accounting functionality or leverage our industry-leading integration with QuickBooks. If you are leveraging Emphasys with QuickBooks, your vendors and accounts receivables will be managed in QuickBooks, along with accounting reports and agent 1099s. We designed it this way so that the software has enough flexibility to wrap around your business without forcing a change from the systems you're already using today. Production reports will always be in Emphasys, and there are some great options to choose from, including income statements, cash flow projections, agent ranking reports, pending sales reports, and more. All reports can be exported and customized as needed. At Emphasys, we have one goal in mind, which is to support all of your business accounting needs. For questions, visit us online at emphasysre.com, where you can chat live with our customer success team and see how Emphasys can help take your real estate business to the next level.